Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a super cute little box to share with you. I actually saw this from a fellow demonstrator. She's a German demonstrator. So I thought I'd create her project in the English version. I will have her video linked down in the description below, so if you want to have a look and check her out. Her name is Bridget. I hope I'm saying that right, excuse me if I'm not, but again I will have all the links in the description below to take you over to her post. So I'm going to show you how we create today's project. For this one I used the Frosted Florals Designer Series paper. Super cute. On this one here I did the, what is it called? All is Bright Designer Series paper, and I'm using some real red cardstock. Now I will have all the measurements with a detailed description over on my website, so if you missed anything, everything will be there at www.stampwithshar.com. So we need to cut down our paper, and we're going to cut this down to 3 1/16, so that's the very next tick after the 3. So 3 1/16 by 5 1/8, and that's 2 tick marks after the 5. So 5, 1, 2, and that's 5 1/8. Now both for the base and the lid, they are going to be the exact same size pieces of paper. So 3 1/16 by 5 1/8, and they're both the exact same. So on our real red piece of cardstock, we need to score this at 1 inch all the way around. We are now going to do some cutting. We're going to cut up these score lines, stopping at the horizontal. I'm now going to miter these 4 tabs. We're now going to fold and burnish our score lines. I now have my multi-purpose liquid glue, and I am going to glue the 2 side pieces, and this last flap I'm going to glue up. So I'm going to add my multi-purpose glue to my tabs. And I'm going to glue these 2 shut. I'm not going to glue this one down yet. So I just want to close my little box. But we're not going to close this one yet. Now to work on the lid. For the lid, we need to score this at 1 inch. And then at 1 inch on these 2 sides. And then on this last score line, we are going to score this at 1 1/8. So you've got a 1 inch on this side and a 1 1/8 on this side. So what we're going to do now is, again, we're going to cut up these score lines, stopping at the horizontal. Again, I'm going to miter my tabs. And then what we're going to do now, with the 1 inch at the top, we're going to line it up at our groove on our trimmer, and we're going to fold this up because we need to get that point over there where that score line is with our trimmer here, and we need to cut that like so. And then we need to repeat that on the opposite side. So again, from that score mark there, that one there, with that one there, and again you're going to cut. So you should have a piece that looks like so. Now we're going to fold and burnish all our score lines. So I did attempt her project several times, and again, as you can see, whenever you're trying somebody else's project, especially when it's in another language, you may want to practice on old cardstock first before you bring out your current stuff. I assumed I thought I had the measurements correct, but I did not. So now I am going to seal this box closed. Like so. And then I'm going to add this onto my box, and you want to add adhesive on there. And then you're going to add adhesive on this little flap, and this is going to fold up. And that's what's going to give you that hinged box look. Super cute, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's project. And again, you can embellish it however you want. These are super cute for your tables when you have people over for dinner. You can add, you know, a lip balm in there. You can add a couple little chocolates in there. And again, you can embellish the top of your box however you want. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I did use in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements as well as diagrams over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.